Minor scales, natural, harmonic, melodic, what is the difference? That's exactly what we'll be looking at in today's lesson. We'll begin this lesson by looking at two different ways that you can find the A minor scale. We'll begin with the A natural minor scale. Then we'll move to the A harmonic minor scale. And we'll end with the A melodic minor scale. Want to take a deeper dive into today's lesson? Check the link below for interactive lessons. This includes all the music to download so you can practice with me. If you're ready to discover the difference between minor scales, the A minor natural, harmonic, and melodic minor scales, then let's get started. In order to find the minor scale, first you have to go back and find the relative major scale. In this case, it's C major. And you'll be able to tell from the circle of fifths that there are no sharps and no flats in the key of C major. Therefore, there are no sharps and no flats in the relative minor, which is A minor. Want to start learning piano right now? Click the link below to get started with your first free lessons. What are you waiting for? The relative major of A minor is C major. The scale has no sharps and no flats. How we find the relative minor, there are two ways. The first way is you can count up 6 notes, starting with the root of C major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th note in C major is A. And from there, you can then find your A minor scale. The second way to find the relative minor scale from C major is to go down 3 half steps. Half step, half step, half step. And there you have the A again. It's the same way to find the relative minor of C major, which is A minor. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. Let's take a look at the A natural minor scale. The first form in the A minor scale is the natural minor. There are no sharps and no flats. Let's take a look at the A harmonic minor scale. The next form is the harmonic minor, the A harmonic minor scalar form. In this form, you will be raising the 7th degree of the scale, which is G, to a G sharp. So the first thing you'll want to do is find the 7th degree of the scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and raise the 7th degree a half step from G to G sharp, and then up to A. Now on the way down, you're also going to keep that 7th degree G sharp, keep it sharped. To finish off this trio of A minor scales, we'll end with the A melodic minor scale. Now, this final scale is most unusual because the scalar pattern is different in both the ascending and descending directions, so pay careful attention. The third type of minor scale for A minor is what we call the melodic minor. Now, this scale does 2 different things. On the way up, the melodic minor, A melodic minor, the ascending form, you're going to raise the 6th and the 7th degree scale. So like this F will be raised to an F sharp, and the G, just like in the harmonic minor, the G will be raised to a G sharp. Now, on the way back down, descending, you're going to revert back to the natural minor form, and that means no sharps and no flats. Let's take a look and put the melodic minor scale together. I am so excited to share all things musical with you, and I can't wait to help you start designing your best daily music practice plan. Be sure to check out these 2 videos and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. And I will see you at your next lesson. And don't forget, start making music happen.